African daisy plant is one of the most easiest to grow flowering plants of the winter season. Even a beginner can grow its seeds and get a lot of flowers. So let's know what the secret tips are that you can follow, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important African daisy care tip is to understand the growing season. The growing season of African daisy is a bit tricky. If you live in a temperate region where the winters are not too cold, the temperature doesn't go below 10 degrees Celsius, you can grow African daisy right from the start of winters up to late springs. On the other hand, if you live in a cold climate region where the winters come with a lot of snow and freezing temperatures, then African daisy won't grow well in your area. You can grow African daisy plants in the summer months. Starting from springs up to late summers is the ideal time for African daisy growth. Overall, African daisy is a cool area flowering plant. It likes a little coolness in the environment, but too much cold is not good for the plant. So simply follow the growing season, winters for temperate regions and summers for cold climate regions. Now let's know how we can grow African daisy plants from seeds. First of all, take a good sized pot with the seed starter mix in it. You can also make a good seed starter at home. Simply follow the video in the description box. Here we have African daisy seeds. This is how they look. Make sure you choose the ideal variety for your area. Some good quality African daisy seeds are also added in the description box to buy. Now place the seeds equally apart on the soil. Cover them with a thin layer of coco peat. Make sure not to bury the seeds too deep. Water the soil thoroughly to make it moist, and place the pot in a bright area. Within a few days, you will see African daisy seeds sprouting. Make sure to provide them with a lot of light so they won't get laggy. After a few weeks, you can transplant them into bigger pots. Choose at least a 4 to 5 inches pot for a single plant. Do the transplanting in the evening. After a week of transplanting, you can move the plants to a sunny area. As the season becomes more ideal, your plants will keep on getting bigger and bigger. Within 1 to 2 months, you will see a lot of buds growing on your plants, and if your soil media is nutrients enriched, you will see a lot of flowers blooming in springtime. Their vibrant colored flowers attract many pollinators like bees and butterflies. One key thing to understand for African daisy care is the soil media. Soil media is a fundamental part. If it's good enough, your plants will face very less problems. But if your soil media lacks basic properties like good drainage and softness, your plants will struggle throughout the season. African daisy flower plants grow really well in a well-draining, slightly sandy soil. You can even make such a mixture at home. A simple soil recipe is also added in the description box. One thing that is most important for African daisy flowers to bloom fully and vibrantly is the ideal spot. Placing the plants in an open area with a lot of sunlight provides them strength and helps them make a lot of flowers. For flowering plants, sunlight is very important. It not only helps them make more buds and flowers, but also keeps most pests away. For African daisy plants, around 3 to 4 hours of sunlight is essential, so just place your plants in a sunny area for consistent growth, and do subscribe to our channel. One thing that is very helpful for African daisy flowers is the fertilizer. Proper fertilization helps the plant produce bigger buds and vibrant flowers. In fact, the soil nutrients simply become the flowers. So if the soil is nutrients rich, you will definitely see a lot of flowers growing. But if your soil media lacks nutrition, your plants will struggle. A few flowers may appear during the growing season, but full flowering won't happen. I have made a good flower fertilizer using kitchen-based ingredients. You can use this fertilizer on your plants. The video guide for making and applying it is added in the description box. Another important African daisy plant care tip is the deadheading. African daisy is a seasonal flowering plant that produces flowers, so it can make seeds for the next season. As soon as the seeds are made, the plant starts dying. By removing the spent flowers, we can push the plant to keep producing more blooms. If you wanna collect the seeds, simply let the spent flowers stay on the plant. You will see such seeds growing. Let them mature. Once they turn black and stems dries out, you can collect them. Place them in a dark and dry space. This way you can grow them next season too. It's all about African daisy plant care. Here is a detailed video on Verbena flower plant care. That is another very unique winter's flowering plant. Feel free to follow and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.